Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concepts in 90 seconds video. What is contamination control? Contamination control is the prevention of contamination of an environment with particles, be they living or dead, and the prevention of cross-contamination, say product A getting into product B or excipient getting into the wrong product. For example, you're making a almond milk product and you actually get something that does come from a nipple into it. Well, that's contamination with a dairy product when you're making a non-dairy product. Also, it would be getting a gluten product into non-gluten product, or maybe peanuts into a non-nutty substance. Therefore, contamination control is concerned with both microbial contamination and physical and chemical contamination. An example of contamination control is when I worked in sterile manufacturing. If I was sick, I wasn't allowed into a production area, even if I was fully gowned up in PPE and wearing a mask. Well, why is that? Well, I represented too much of a contamination risk to the product, because humans are very leaky things, and even if you're gowned up, it'll be leaking crap everywhere. That was contamination control in about 90 seconds. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button and subscribe, and then hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.